in the figure class is square pyramid. So find the volume, lateral surface area, and total surface area of the square pyramid. So let's draw the figure. So the base square plus must be drawn in this manner. So this is the center. Draw a vertical line. This will then be the common vertex. Okay? We connect this common vertex to these vertices plus. So we have a square pyramid here. So this is 8. The base edge is 8, so automatically this is also 8. Okay, it's a regular polygon plus square is a regular polygon. Then we have the altitude as 18. Okay, so volume, we have the formula 1/3 base area times the height. So volume is equal to 1/3. No need to use the formula for area of a polygon. It's already identified. It is a square. What is the area of a square? 8 squared. S is squared, where S is the side. So where S is equal to 8. So that would now be 8 squared. The height is equal to 18. So kindly complete now, class. That's for the volume. This is in cubic feet. 384 cubic feet. And then for the lateral surface area, what's the formula? Let's isolate one face, class. The face is an isosceles triangle. The sides are equal. This side is equal to 8. Hello? Then we call this as a slant height L. So we need to determine the slant height L. So this is the isosceles triangle we isolated. This one. Okay, class. So we'll compute for the slant height L. This is the altitude H. So there's this right triangle form. And what is this? The apothem. Plus 4 square, we can readily solve for the apothem. It is just 1/2 of the side. Okay? That's true plus 4 square. Okay, as you recall, what's the formula for the apothem? S all over 2 tangent 180 degrees over N. With N equals 4, A is just equal to S over 2. 180 degrees over 4, 45 degrees. 45 degrees 1 times 2, 2. So we have there S over 2. Hello? So, for the apothem, 8 over 2, so that's equal to 4. So we isolate that right triangle. This is 18. This is 4. This is that height L. So we solve for L by Pythagorean theorem. L is equal to square root of 18 squared plus 4 squared. Kindly compute for L.
Square root of 82.
Two decimal places. L is decimal place. 18.44. What's the answer given by the book? Is it in terms of a radical or decimal? Number 1, this is 5.1. Kindly check. Ano?
Number 1. Saan ano letter?
Letter A.
3, 4, 2, 9.
Decimal or radical?
Yung isa kasi.
Oh, so it means it is in radical. I mean in decimal. So with that, we now substitute 1/2. The base is 8. The height is L. And then multiply that by the number of faces. So the basis for the formula class, for the lateral surface area, it is 1/2 N. It's the number of faces times A times N. Actually, 1/2 AL here is the area of the triangle. That is the number of faces. Follow? So LSA now is 1/2. What is N? 4. What is A? 4. What is L? 18.44. Kindly complete for the LSA.
73.76.
73.76 square feet. So for the total surface area, use the formula.
D plus L.
The lateral surface area plus the area of the base. So this is 73.76 plus what is B? 80 squared, so 64. Plus 73.76. What's that?
137.7.
137.76 is 8 dapat to. Okay? So yun, katama na yun. 295. 1/2 NSL pala. So 18.44 times 16 na lang. So that's 295.04. Okay, tapos that's 295.04 plus 64. Ilan na yan? Okay, this is 359.04. Okay. So it should be 8 plus as the base here for this triangle.